What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So a couple of days ago, I made a video of the speed test and display test of all four of these devices here, which is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the Galaxy Note 9, the OnePlus 6T, and the OnePlus 7 Pro. And all four of these devices look very good and very speedy. Now, of course, the OnePlus 6T and the Galaxy Note 9 is half the cost, right? But they still have all the updates. And these phones work very good because as we get into 2020, a lot of people ask the question, should you pick up older devices? And I always say, yes, you can. But in this video, I'm gonna do the audio test with all these devices and see which one is King Supreme. Wow, so sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's talk about the sound quality with all these devices, right? Now, I want to show you this. Again, I want to be kind of transparent with you guys so you can see the settings with all devices. And right here, I got them all cranked up. I got it on music here on Adobe Atmos. I got the equalizer cranked up here. I got as loud as it can go on the OnePlus 6T. And then on the OnePlus 7 Pro, I have it on music, the loudest it can go on all devices, so it's no excuses. I'm gonna take my microphone and I'm gonna flip it around and point it straight to the devices so we can hear how loud, how good all devices is, and I'm going to give you some commentary. So let's go. All right, guys, so I got the mic pointing downward in front of all the devices. Let's go on and go with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Nice. All right, the Galaxy Note 10 has a nice full of sound. I like it. It's nice and loud. Sounds good. Let's go with the Galaxy Note 9. All right, so the Galaxy Note 9 sounds good, but not as good as the Galaxy Note 10. Let's go on and go with the OnePlus 6T. All right, so the OnePlus 6T sounds good. I tell you what, it's a little louder. I tell you, it's kind of close with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but the Galaxy Note 10 Plus has more bass. Let's go with the OnePlus 7 Pro. OnePlus 7 Pro sounds very good. Let's do this. Okay, so check this out. I will go Galaxy Note 10 Plus first place, OnePlus 7 Pro second place, OnePlus 6T third place, and the Galaxy Note fourth place. Oh yeah, absolutely. All right, so that is the sound between all these devices. That's what I'm talking about. Boom. So I hope you enjoyed this video here with the audio test between all these devices. I'm gonna tell you something, that the Galaxy Note 10 Plus surprisingly is my favorite phone when it comes down to the audio. But the OnePlus devices, it definitely sound very good. Believe it or not, I'm kind of disappointed at the Galaxy Note 9 because it's not as loud as these devices here. Now I know over time with the updates and everything, I don't know whether or not the audio has been muted with the Galaxy Note 9. Hey, it's there, it's here and there, but it's still a fantastic phone. And I always talk about that, yes, you can pick up older devices. Think about it. These phones is running Android Pie with the latest security updates, which is nice, right? And going into 2020 with half the prices of the 6T and the Galaxy Note 9, absolutely I will recommend these devices in 2020 because they are fantastic phones. They're very fast, the displays are very good, the updates is here. So at the end of the day, you be the judge for yourself. This is Eric from Ease Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about all these devices in action. Woo! See you guys on the next video. Peace. I like these phones. These phones is good. That's what I'm talking about. Later.